Howdy, folks. Welcome to Homestead Kitchen Living this week. Well, let's get ready for another adventure this week. This week, I'm keeping it keto for the third week in a row. And yes, I went back to chicken. That's okay, because chicken is good. Chicken is affordable. What's wrong with that? And I also added what I call a loaded cauliflower. Now what this does is takes the place of the potato and the starches, making this pretty much of a full round keto meal. Let me show you how this works out. Come follow me along in this video. My God, what did you eat? Okay, let's get started. There's the cutting board. There's the chicken. 2 chicken breasts total in that package. We're going to fillet the chicken away from the bone. I chose this because I wanted the skin on the chicken breast, and that's what they had. So, cut it into smaller pieces. You get the idea. Time for the seasoning. 4 tablespoons of cooking oil. Add the seasoning ingredients that you see listed on the screen. Give that a mix. There's our aluminum foil lined baking sheet. Dip the chicken into the seasoning oil. Put it on the pan, skin side up. And set that aside and let that marinate for a little bit. While that's marinating, time for the cauliflower. We're going to prepare that. De-leaf the cauliflower. Cut the cauliflower into 4 even pieces. Rinse them off. Set that aside. There's the chicken breast. I did flip them over once, so we're going to flip them back, skin side up. Add the rest of the seasoning to the chicken. Put the cauliflower onto the baking pan. I melted 4 tablespoons of butter. We're going to butter up the cauliflower. Now sprinkle a little bit of sea salt on top of the cauliflower. And add 2 strips of bacon. That'll be the bacon bits later on. Into the oven at 450 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until the internal temperature of the chicken is 165 degrees. After about 15 minutes, we pull out the bacon strips. We're going to trim them down into small bacon bits. They still look a little rubbery, so we're going to cover them back up and microwave them for another minute. Much better. Set that aside. Now we pull out our chicken. Almost there, guys. A little more butter on the cauliflower. Some cheddar cheese on the cauliflower. Back into the oven for a couple minutes to melt that cheddar cheese. Look at that, folks. What do you think? It's looking good. Look at that. Sour cream and the bacon bits on the right. Ain't that pretty looking? Oh, yeah. Another winner, another keto meal. And your cauliflower, laced with sour cream and bacon. I tell you what, it's not potatoes, but it's not bad. Follow me for more. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed watching it, much as I've enjoyed making it. If you did, click the like button. Subscribe. Share it with a friend. Just remember, when the going gets tough, it's tough to find something to eat. Homestead kitchen living, making cooking fun again. And if you're really down, don't forget, go with Jesus. You'll have a great day. Thanks again for watching.